Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage interactions section settings on TikTok account. So first enter your TikTok account and then click on this profile section and click on these three lines here and go to the settings and privacy, and so here we have this privacy settings. Click on it, and here we have this interactions section. So we have many options here, many sections like the comments and the mentions, direct messages, and the reuse of content. Here we have the downloads and the following lists and liked videos, the favorite sounds, and the viewers. And also we have the blocked accounts. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.